Hello everyone, welcome to Flash USDT DEX. Today I will show you how to flash USDT on Trust Wallet with a clean USDT contract. As you can see, we have 1 million USDT in this wallet, a clean contract with no flags in the Solana network, and we will send it to a newly created wallet. Now we will search for USDT Solana network, copy the USDT Solana wallet address, and we will go back to the main wallet and flash this new wallet. Let's send 100,000 USDT and wait for transaction to be confirmed. And voila, we successfully flashed the newly created wallet. This USDT flash works on all major Web3 wallets, metamask, SafePal, and more. If you are interested, contact us on Telegram.